What is cashback? Cashback means getting back a portion of your money with every purchase or payment. You spend as usual and you earn money effortlessly. Why is it interesting? Instead of losing all your money when you pay, you automatically get some back. The more you use Neero, the more cashback you earn. How do you earn with Neero? With Neero, you can earn cashback on every transaction, be it payments with your Visa card up to 199 francs CFA as cashback, airtime purchases, MTN, Orange, Camtel, Yumi up to 2 to 3% of cashback. Canal Plus payment up to 3% cashback. After each payment, a message shows you how much you've earned. Where does your cashback go? Your cashback accumulates in your cashback wallet in the Neero application, ready to be used whenever you wish. How to withdraw your cashback? As soon as you have at least 500 francs in your cashback, you can easily transfer it to your Neero account and use it however you like. Use your cashback. With your cashback, you can reload your Neero Visa card or transfer your money to your Orange Money or MTN Mobile Money account easily and quickly. Start now, activate your Neero card, make your daily payments, earn cashback, and use your money whenever you want. With Neero, every expense earns you money.